First up is Araceli Hernandez Calderon. Her department is the School of Merchandising and Hospitality Management, Hospitality Management. The title of her 3MT presentation is Getting Hotels Back to Business. Araceli, please take the stage.
If you do an internet search using hotels and COVID-19, the very first hit is an article from the Center for Disease Control titled, Know Your Travel Risk. This publication states how hotel stays are risky. Consumer fear caused the hotel U.S. industry to lose $84 billion in 2020. Hotels have now implemented enhanced cleaning practices, but it will take more than that for consumers to return in their pre-pandemic numbers. This is the challenge hotels are facing: how to best manage consumers' perceptions of staying at a hotel during a pandemic. My research addresses how hotel messaging is critical in managing consumers' perceptions of risk. The first question to address is, how do consumers assess risk? The assessment of risk involves two elements: the threat that is imposed by the risk and how to cope with it. With COVID, the threat will be, how likely am I to get COVID? And how seriously will it affect me? As a way to manage the perception of threat, hotels can provide COVID information in the frame of fear or hope messages. One important way in which hotels are helping consumers to cope with the COVID threat is by implementing enhanced cleaning practices. My research surveyed college students to see if a hotel internal cleaning process was adequate for them to cope, or if coping was improved by knowing the hotel would implement an external accredited process. The combination of threat and coping assessment will lead to students' booking intentions. Then, the less the threat and the greater the intention or their ability to cope, the greater their intention to book. My research shows that the best strategy is to evoke emotions of hope and use an internal cleaning program. This is great news. Hotels usually implement internal programs. Is less expensive and also easier to do than external accreditations. As a result of my research, I would like to provide the following guidance for the hotel industry. Hotels are not only encouraged to implement their internal cleaning programs, but also make sure you're sending a strong message of hope. This will help you to make a positive emotional connection with your consumers. Let them know that you're doing your best to keep them safe and they will come back. Thank you.